Cash is probably the most important factor in your business. It's the lifeblood of business. It's king. It's without it, you just can't run your business. So, for example, a very profitable business, say that's their profit and loss is like really good profit margins. You look at it and you just think, wow, that's a brilliant business. But if that cash is not coming into your business and it's not flowing how it needs to flow to pay all your bills and everything, you're screwed. You've got no business basically. So understanding your cash flow, which is the in and outs of the cash coming in and out of your business, is probably one of the most important factors in your business. So a cash flow forecast is forecasting, obviously, when the cash is going to come in and then when it's going to go out again to pay all your bills. So having a cash flow forecast will help you to understand what money's coming in when, what money needs to be paid and when. It'll enable you to see where you've got potential issues. So say you've got cash due in 3 weeks of 10 grand, but cash due out in 2 weeks of 8 grand, and you've got nothing in your bank account right now, then you're screwed because you can't pay that bill. So a cash flow forecast will be looking at that and seeing where these issues could arise, and then you can manage it and actually understand what you need to do to make sure that your cash flow remains at a certain level, that you've always got cash available to pay your bills. Most importantly, pay yourself. And then once you've got a cash flow based on your incomings and outgoings, what you can do is you can look at it to see, right, well, if I tweak this, how will it affect my cash? If I took an extra £200 a month home, for example, how would that affect the business and things like that? So having that cash flow forecast is a really important tool for your business to see where you're going and what you need to do to get there. So we've developed 2 services, a cash flow forecast on its own. And what we would do is we'd work with you to understand your incomes and outgoings, obviously, your cash flow cycle, and then we'd prepare you a forecast for the year and give you that forecast in a really simple format using Float for you to see it. And then every month we would tweak it and update it as necessary using all your figures through Xero and everything. So you constantly have, over the year, an up-to-date cash flow for the month ahead. So that's the first service. The second service we do is called cash flow management. And the way I want to look at this is, yes, we'll do the same forecast, we'll do exactly the same thing, but we'll take it that one step further. So think of it as monitoring, analysing and adjusting the cash flow of your business. So what we'll do is, after we've done your first cash flow forecast, we'll then have a session together and we will actually really dig deep and look into your cash flow and see what the issues are and how we can change that for you. And then we'll make those changes. And then we'll have some ongoing sessions over the course of a year, so probably every quarter, to then monitor what's happening, analyse the results of what we've done the previous quarter to see if that's working, how that's improving, what needs to be done further, and then adjusting that, and then seeing again the next quarter how that goes. So that's the 2 services that we've got. If you want to know more details, then read this blog. And obviously contact us. If you're an existing client, then just drop us an email and we can have a chat. If you're not a client yet, then head over to the Work With Us page, complete the questionnaire, and then at the end there will be a link to book a discovery call with me, and then we can have a chat about your cash flow and how we can help amongst everything else that we can do for you. So I hope this helps, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.